A very good morning, my dear students. So here is the lecture number 10 of chapter Equilibrium, Unit 7. And I hope you have watched that video properly. And now you have idea how to find the pH and what is the dissociation constant and degree of dissociation. So let's solve some questions and another further topic we will consider. We will see. So as usual, let's start this video with a quote, and the quote is like, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This is 100% truly said that if you will dream, then only you will work for that and you will achieve that. So your future, whatever you dream right now, accordingly, the future will be decided. If you want to be like the top position, so obviously you have to dream for that, and if you dream for that, then only you will work for that. Got it? So okay, बहुत सारी knowledge हो, ज्ञान बहुत बढ़ गया. So अब आगे बढ़ते हैं according to the like concept. So this is the homework solution. There was the question in video number 8 as well as video number 9. So this is the question of video number 8. Okay. So this is of video 8. So let's start. Let's calculate the hydronium ion. Hydronium ion concentration बोला जाए या hydrogen concentration बोला जाए, both are equal. ठीक है? Concentration of each of the following solution whose pH value, that means in this case pH values are given, you have to find the H plus. So there is the one formula we have to use every like in this question. pH is equal to minus log H plus. Okay. So if you want to find the H plus here, so what you have to do, you have to do anti-log. Just taking anti-log on both sides. Taking anti-log on both sides. You will get that anti-log pH. Anti-log pH is equal to minus concentration of H plus. So you want that H plus concentration. So what next you have to do? You have to just remove minus sign from here and put it on next side. Yes. So this is. So H plus concentration you can find directly formula. You found it at once you found, and just use this formula to get the H plus concentration. So for first, pH is equal to 7.52. So H plus concentration will be what? Minus log anti-log, yes, minus anti-log 7.52. And I hope you all are very much like clear how to find the log and anti-log. So since this is in negative anti-log, so what you have to do, you have to convert this into positive. For that you have to add 1 in this number, which is before the decimal. So just add, it will be converted like this, anti-log, and then it will be 7 plus 1, 8, and then point, whatever the digit are there after the decimal, just subtract that from 1. So once you will subtract that from 1, it will give you 0.48, isn't it? 48, yes. So now do this. Anti-log, you have to check the 0.48 का anti-log आपको find करना है. ये जो है, that will be converted into the power, and since it was negative anti-log, so you will make it power as a negative, minus 8. And check the anti-log of 0.48. Let me check. It is given answer is 3020. 3020. And you know that in anti-log value, it is like accepted, it is understood that decimal is just after 1 digit. So you put the decimal over here, and it will be the answer. 3.020 into 10 to the power what? This is the answer. H plus concentration, you got it, what? 3.020 into 10 to the minus 8 for the case for case 1. Now 2, 0.00. pH is 0.00. So it's so simple. H plus concentration will be minus anti-log 0.00. So this is in minus term, so obviously you have to add. So in this it will be converted into anti-log 0 plus 1, it will be 1, and 1 में से इसको minus करोगे, it will be same, like there will be nothing. So it will be what? 1 second. 1 में से fill minus this, it will be completely 1 only, isn't it? So this is 1 miss minus karo, you will get this one. So what it is, jo power, that will be converted into that this one will be converted into power -1, and here it is. So you will write that 0.10 and find the antilog for this. You will get this 1259. So put the decimal over here, and it is 0.1259 into 10 to the minus 1, or you can say that 0.1259. This is the H plus concentration. Yes, you can put M over here. Now for next 2.50. So if this is the third case, and here the pH is equal to 2.50. So just find the H plus concentration in the same way, minus anti-log. Don't forget to write the formula. Okay, pH, and that is minus anti-log 2.50. Just convert this into positive one. So this will be anti-log 2 plus 1. It is going to be 3, and 1 minus 0.50, it will be 50. So 10 to the power minus 3, and check the 0.50 antilog. This is given 3162. 3162. So put the decimal over here, one digit के बाद decimal put करो, and this is the answer, 3.162 into what? 10 to the minus 3, and this is the concentration of H plus ion in this case. Okay, now the question fourth was 12.20. So here it is fourth, 12.20, the same way. Yes, H plus ion concentration. Let me do directly. Can I do? Anti-log. This is 12.20. That means it is anti-log 13, and it is going to be 0.80. Yes. Yes, minus 13, and here 0.80 anti-log check. So you will get it. This is 6310. So just put the decimal over here, and it is giving 0.63. 6310 into 10 to the minus 13 M concentration. I hope it is clear. Yes. So now move to next question, which was given in your video number 9. So this was video number 9 में ये question दिया हुआ था as a homework. Okay, so it's a little conceptual. Think of it. Calculate the concentration of H3O plus ion in a mixture. That means आपको mixture दिया हुआ है CS3COOH and sodium acetate. This is CS3COONA. Okay. Its concentration is given 0.02, and its concentration is given 0.1. So if it will dissociate, it will give you CS3COO minus plus H3O plus kaho ya fir H plus kaho. Both are same thing. Yes. So from in this equation, you will get this H plus ion concentration. But solution में दोनों mixture है. Yes. So just break this also. This is CS3COO minus plus Na plus. In this case, if I will say, suppose that at equilibrium, some portion of this will be deducted, will be converted into product. So जितना घटा उतना ये X बनेगा, and this is again X. So let it be X, okay? In this case, again, this is 0.1 minus X, and this is again, this will be X over here, and this will be X over here. So since this value is very much less, isn't it? 0.02 already बहुत छोटा है. तो जो x होगा, this x is very, very small value, isn't it? Small. So can I neglect this x? X को हम neglect कर देते हैं. Okay. So if I will neglect this x over here, so यहाँ पे जो CS3 यहाँ पे assume कर लेते हैं, this x value हम assume करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम इसको neglect कर लेते हैं इसके साथ. ठीक है. So if I will get the CS3 total, CS3COOH CS3CO minus concentration, if I will try to find what I will get, it will be total H plus ion, the total CS3CO minus will be kitna? This is, here it is X, and here it is, it's negligible. So just assume कि जितना concentration यही है उतना ही concentration है. यहाँ पे why I'm taking it as a X, because I want to find the H plus ion concentration. So here I am just considering this X value. Okay. So what next? If you will not do, then also कोई बात नहीं, अभी भी हम कर सकते हैं. जैसे देखो, this is 0, 1. Or in another way we can say that कि this one is negligible. X is negligible here. So इसको totally हम 0.1 कर लेते हैं as X is negligible. Can we say? समझ में आई बात क्या बोला मैंने? Since 0.2 is already small, तो इससे अगर हम x पार्ट घटाएंगे तो वो बहुत बहुत छोटा होगा. सो हम x को नेग्लिजिबल कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स x कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. सो यहाँ पे भी x कुछ नहीं है, तो जितना कंसेंट्रेशन ये होगा उतना CH3CO माइनस का होगा यहाँ पे. सो टोटल जो कंसेंट्रेशन हमारा मिलेगा वो क्या मिलेगा, CH3CO माइनस का 0.1. क्लियर है? नाउ in this equation 1, if you will write the dissociation constant formula, you will get that CH3COO minus H plus upon CH3COOH. Yes or no? Okay. So यहाँ देखो K value is given 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. CH3CO minus concentration you got 0.1, and H plus concentration you have to find. And this is CH3COH. CH3COH concentration is given 0.02. Yes, 0.2 minus X is at equilibrium. जो concentration given है वो इतनी है ना, तो that concentration we will take. Okay. Now just find the H plus ion concentration. What you will get? 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Can I write like this? इसको upon 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. Yes. So this is 1.8 into 2, 3.6, and here it is 10 to the minus 5, minus 2, minus 7, or plus 1, yani minus 6. This is the concentration. I hope it is clear. Okay, so next move to new concept, and that is type C numerical we will do. Calculating pH of a strong electrolyte. If a strong electrolyte will be there, how we will find the pH? So here the question, assuming complete dissociation. Complete dissociation matlab that is a strong electrolyte. Calculate the pH of the following solution. So easy. I hope you will do it by yourself. Let me solve one question from this acid part and one from base part. Okay, and other two will be homework for you. These two are the homework for you. Okay. So first part is 0.003 mHCl. Since it is a strong acid, so whatever the concentration for HCl, that will be the same concentration for H plus also. Yes, so 0.003. Can you write it in the 3 into 10 to the power minus 3? Any doubt in this? Now find the pH. You have formula pH is equal to minus log H plus. So here minus log H plus is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, and that means this is minus, and can I write like this, log 3, or this is m into n, so log m plus n, and then isko ye karke this is. Can you write, can you like understand this thing what I have done? You have watched that log value, log, how to find the log concept. So there I have solved this type of questions. So you can do it. Yes. And now in this case, just put the value pH ke liye. That is minus log 3 value you have to check. And log 3 value jo hoti hai, wo hoti hai. So log 7 jo hota hai, that is 0.4771. You just check it. And this is minus log 10 minus 3, log 10 ki value 1 hoti hai. So just solve it and you will get it minus 0.4771 plus 3. So it will be somewhat 2. So you solve it, you will get approximately 2.58 around. Okay. So this will be the pH. Now let's do for the base. So in second part, this is the second part, 0.002 mKOH. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Yes or no? So in this case, you will get the POH because OH ka concentration aapko pata hai yahan pe. So you will just find the POH in the same way, minus log OH minus concentration. So it is minus log 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be minus log 2 minus 3 log 10. And this is going to be minus log 2 ki value ho jati hai 0.3010, and this is minus minus plus yani plus 3. So just solve it and you will get something 2.7 approximately. Okay, so this is the POH, ye POH hai. So pH ke liye kya karoge, 14 minus 2.7 yani ki 11.3. This is the pH. Got it? 11.3 is the pH. Any doubt in this? That you can do in, यहाँ से भी कर सकते थे, यहाँ like you got this OH concentration, यहाँ से H plus concentration निकाल लेते हैं and directly you can do. So in that way also you can do. Okay, these two questions are the numerical, that are the homework for you people. So just try that. So again, this is the next question. Calculate the pH value for 0.001 m HNO3 and 0.001 m NaOH. I hope you can do it very easily. So this is also going to be homework for you. Okay. Now type D, calculating pH of weak acid and bases. Both are strong acid, strong base, jahan concentration of acid will be equal to concentration of H plus ion. In this case, the concentration of acid will not be equal to the H plus ion concentration. So we have to find, okay? Let's see. Here's the first question. Calculate the pH of 0.08 m solution of hydrochlorous acid. The ionization constant of acid is given. Calculate the percent dissociation of HOCl. Okay. तो आपको pH निकालना पहले. You have to find pH. You have to find for alpha. Okay. So just write HOCl. This is the compound, and when it undergoes dissociation, it will give you H plus and OClO minus or OCl minus. You can write like this. Yes. So initially the concentration, यहाँ पे concentration आपको क्या करना है? Calculate the pH. यहाँ concentration दिया हुआ है. तो initially अगर T is equal to 0 time देखते हैं हम. So it is 1 mole. This is 0 0. At T is equal to equilibrium, some portion will be reduced, that is alpha. Suppose that यहाँ पे alpha जा रहा है, so this is also alpha, this is also alpha. If I will talk about the concentration की बात करेंगे तो C से multiply कर दो, isn't it, for both, and C is given 0.08. कोई दिक्कत? So in this case, if you will write the Ka, you will get that alpha C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. Just do it. Yes. K की value alpha, this is, since alpha is very much small, so you can neglect it, and alpha will be approximately equal to 1. So Ka is equal to C alpha square, and hence alpha अगर आपको निकालना होगा तो क्या करेंगे? Ka upon C root under. So put the value K is given here, कितना? 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 5, and the concentration is given how much? 0.08. 0.08. So just solve it and you will get this. Alpha आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay. Now H plus आपको कैसे निकालना है? So यहाँ पे alpha निकालोगे, 100 से multiply करोगे, you will get the percentage alpha. ठीक है? Now pH निकालने के लिए, so pH के लिए we know that minus log H plus concentration, and H plus concentration is here C alpha. Just wait. Let me find the alpha value here. So just calculate it, solve it, and you will get this. Alpha is going to come 1.77 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is the alpha value. So you for pH you want that H plus concentration, yes, and this H plus concentration is here C alpha, yes. So we can write minus log C alpha, and that is minus log C value is given here what? 0.08. So 0.08 and alpha, that means 1.77 into 10 to the power minus 2. You just solve this and you will get it is coming 1.41 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So next process I think you can do it easily. This is minus log 1.41, and this will be minus log 10, that is, so this is minus 3 log 10. Log 10 ki value is 1. So just solve this log 1.41. If you'll check, it is coming around 0.1461, and this is minus plus. So solve it and you will get that 2.85. This is the pH. I hope it is clear. Yes. So see, this video is full of numericals. So don't be like panic ki kya ho raha, sirf numericals. Because whatever topic we are covering, that is numericals only. So stay concentrated, stay attentive over here to learn the things. Okay. Now the next question is here. The degree of ionization of 0.1 m bromoacetic acid solution is 0.1 0.132. That is alpha is given. Yes. So let me write here. Alpha is given 0.132. Calculate the pH of the solution. That means you have to find pH, और pH के लिए आपको चाहिए H plus, and pKa also. pKa के लिए you want Ka value. Then you will get it. Okay. So let's see this acetic bromoacetic acid. Bromoacetic acid is, this is acetic acid. CH3COOH is called acetic acid. And if I'm talking about bromoacetic acid, what I will do, the one H will be replaced by Br. Okay. So CH2 and here it will be Br. So when it undergoes dissociation, it will give you BrCH2COO minus plus H plus. So by this way, you can find the concentration. Okay. So here, let me do it directly at equilibrium concentration. So can I write C into 1 minus alpha, and this is C alpha and this is C alpha? Any problem in this? So first find the Ka. Ka is equal to C alpha square, because 1 minus alpha I am considering as alpha is negligible over here. 0.132 divide karoge, agar 1 minus subtract karoge, then also it will give you the same value. But since alpha value is given, so we will not like negligible. We will not consider it as a negligible. So let me put this value. 1 second. 1 minus alpha it is here. So C is over, C is here given 0.1, isn't it? Here 0.1. Okay. So just put the value 0.1 into alpha is given 0.132. Put the square for this, and this is 1 minus 0.132. So you just solve it, and after solving you will get around, this is coming 2.01 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So this is the Ka value. For pKa, what you will do? pKa is equal to minus log Ka. Formula we have done. So minus log, and can write 2.01 minus 3 log 10. Yes. So you just solve it and you will get the value is around, this is coming 2.7. That means it is 2.7. The pK value will be coming 2.7. Another part, pH. pK to nikal liya, pH. So for pH, we want the minus log H plus concentration, and H plus concentration is here C alpha. So just put this C alpha, that means minus log C is here 0.1 and alpha is 0.132. So solve it and it is coming minus log, solve करोगे तो it is coming 0.0132, and जब log value आप check करोगे, sorry, when you will check the log value, it will give you that minus 1.88. This is coming. Okay, so it is 1.88. The pH is like this. I hope it is clear. Solve करना होगा. That how you will solve it. If there is any problem, just convert it into 13.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Do it in this way. And here 13.2 log value likho, and here it is 3 log 10, and then subtract it, you will get this minus 1.88. Solve it, you will get this. Clear? Okay, now move to next question and next type actually. So that is type E, calculating pH of mixture of acid and bases. अगर acid और base दोनों दिया हुआ हो, then how you will find the pH. ठीक है? So अभी तक क्या था? Easily we have done for strong acid. कैसे निकालेंगे? For weak acid कैसे निकालेंगे? We have done for mixture of acid and salt, weak acid के mixtures हमने किए. ठीक है? So now here we are going to do that mixture of acid and base. दोनों given होगा, and then you have to find the pH. तो कैसे करोगे? So here is the first question, that calculate the pH of solution formed by mixing equal volume of two solution A and B, strong acid having pH is equal to 6 and pH is equal to 4. So A is having pH 10 to the 6 and B is having pH 4. So you have to find the pH for the solution. pH for the solution. जब इनको मिला दिया जाएगा, then how it will be. Yes. So in this case, कैसे निकालोगे? So you just find this. This is strong acid having pH 6 और pH 4 है. So अगर हम वहाँ से देख रहे pH, so you can find that H plus concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 6. Can you say simply yes or no? And here if you will take the H plus concentration, you will get 10 to the power minus 4. How you will find? Again do the anti-log, because we know that this formula na pH is equal to minus anti-log pH is equal to H plus concentration. So use this formula, you will get this. Yes, okay. So now H plus concentration, अगर हम total H plus concentration यहाँ पे देखेंगे, so we will have that 10 to the power minus 6 plus 10 to the power minus 4. So what is the total concentration over here? How you will find? So you have done chapter 1, yes. So just convert this into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Can I write? And this is minus 4. So minus 4 will be like common. So this is going to be 0.01 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. That means it is 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the H plus concentration. That can be a major mistake over here. यहाँ पे total H plus concentration they will take 1.01 and can do. But think of it, earlier it was A 6 and B 4. So जो concentration था that was mole per liter. That means for 1 liter this was the pH, and for 1 liter this was the pH. Now when they are in the solution, the volume becomes 2 liter, isn't it? But number of moles will be like this plus this. Yes. So agar hum H plus concentration, if you'll find H plus concentration in solution, if you'll find, so this is 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is the number of moles upon volume. So volume is equal to 1 plus 1 liter. That means it is going to be 2 liter. Yes. 1.01 minus 10 to the power minus 4 upon 2. And if you'll solve this, you will get this 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this is the H plus concentration. And if we'll do that pH, so this is minus log H plus, and here it is minus log 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. So this is going to be minus log 5, and here it is minus 5 log 10. So log 5 value is 0.699. Okay, if you'll see 0.699 something, 699, and then minus 5. So just solve it and you will get this around 4.3. So this is the pH of the solution. Got it? So ये वाला point important है. यहाँ पे H plus concentration जो volume का difference हुआ, ये difference जरूरी है. Otherwise you could have done with this. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी value difference आ जाएगी. वो 3 के term में आ जाएगी. यहाँ पे ये 4 के term में pH आ रहा है. Got it? Okay, now move to next question. Next, this is what will be the pH of the solution obtained by mixing 800 ml of 0.05 NaOH and 200 ml of 0.1 MHCl, assuming complete dissociation of acid and base. So in this question, first of all, you have to find that what concentration of H plus and OH minus is left out in the solution. So how you will find it? There is the two way. One, you can do the mind calculation and you can do it, or you can use that mole formula. And then, so let me make explain that detailed formula, and then after I will tell you the short formula for this. Okay, so in this case, that molarity and the volume of NaOH is given. So let's find the number of moles of NaOH. Okay. So see, we have the formula molarity is equal to moles upon volume, and this volume is in the liter. If I will convert it into milliliter, what we'll do? We'll just multiply by 1000. Yes, ऊपर 1000 से multiply करेंगे. So if you want the mole, how it will be? It will be molarity upon volume, molarity into volume upon 1000. Okay, so if you want to find the moles, what you will do? Molarity into volume upon 1000. So just do the same thing, molarity into volume upon 1000. So this molarity is given 0.05, volume is given 800 upon 1000, and you just solve it. You will get that 8 5s are 40, and upon 10, 2 decimals. So it will be what? 0.40. So this will be 0.04, isn't it? And number of moles of HCl if you'll find, so it will be 0.1 into 200 ml upon 1000. So this is 0.02, isn't it? So now you can see that number of moles, so total number of moles remain in the solution. Number of moles, whatever, किसका बचेगा? Obviously, base is in more amount, so base बचेगा. So number of moles of OH minus ion left in the solution, that will be 0.04 minus 0.02, क्योंकि this mole of HCl will be neutralized by 0.02 mole of NaOH, and 0.02 mole will be left out, isn't it? So this is number of moles, okay, in how many liter? This is 200 ml and this is 800 ml. So that means itne ml में कर लिया. So for concentration of OH minus अगर हम करेंगे, so that is number of moles. Moles is equal to 0.02 upon total volume. Volume is coming 800 plus 200, isn't it? And since it is in milliliters, so we have to convert into liters, so 1000 se, and that means it is going to 0.02. Okay, so this is the molarity, you got it. Now you will find the pOH because OH minus concentration is given over here. So this is going to be minus log OH minus concentration and 10 to the power, we can write I can write here it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Can I write? There will be no problem in this. So minus log, and this is going to be log 2, and this is minus 2 log 10. So now just log 2 value is minus, and this is 0.3010 log 2 value, and this is going to be 2. So you just subtract this 2 and 0.3010. It will be around 1.7. Yes, around 1.7 it will come. So this is the pH of the solution, 1.7. I hope it is clear. I know it's going too much numerical over here, but have to do. So just move to next question, and this question is going to be last question for you people. So don't worry about that. Okay, chaliye, don't be panic. Calculate the pH of the solution formed by mixing 0.2 m NH4Cl and 0.1 m NH3. The pKb of ammonia is 4.73. Now it's a time to confuse कि हमें pKb दिया हुआ, that means it is a base, and अगर आपको यहाँ पे pH निकालना है तो you should know that like H plus का concentration या फिर OH minus का concentration पता होना चाहिए, then only you can do. But किस पूरे question में there is no OH minus, कहीं है नहीं. So how to do? So think of it and see, this NH4Cl is the combination of weak base and strong acid. So that means it will be considered as the strong electrolyte only. That means it will dissociate completely. So NH4Cl, when it will dissociate, it will give you NH4 plus and Cl minus, isn't it? Okay, so this concentration is 0.2. So obviously इसका भी concentration कितना होगा, 0.2. So यहाँ से NH4 का concentration आपको मिल गया 0.2. But this NH3, when it will dissolve in water, it is not going to completely ionize because it is a base. Okay, so what will happen, this will give you NH4 plus and OH minus it will form. So from here also NH4 concentration will be there. NH3 concentration is given 0.1 since it is not going to completely dissociate. So obviously we will assume that at this time it is 0, 0 and some portion will be subtracted, then it will be X and X. So here we can neglify this X with respect to 0.1 because 0.1 is already very small value, and here usse bhi agar kam kara rahe hain to approximately it will be equal to 0.1, isn't it? Is there any problem in this? Okay, so total NH4 plus concentration, if you'll see in the solution, you will get that यहाँ से 0.02 and यहाँ से X. So you get the concentration of NH4 like this. So Kb अगर आपको कहा जाएगा निकालने को, so Kb formula क्या होता है? यहाँ से you can, in this equation you can find. So this is NH4 plus OH minus upon NH3. Yes. So here this one is given, ये आपको find करना है, and this one is also given, but यहाँ के चक्कर में क्या है ये PKB given, it's not KB. So KB is equal to, we can say that minus anti-log PKB कर सकते हैं, यानी कि minus anti-log 4.75. Can we do? Instead of this, can I write like this? Yes. Is equal to NH4 plus concentration is given here. NH4 concentration is 0.02. Again, I'm not doing this X. I'm not taking X. Why? Because X is since negligible. So just approximate kar lo isko 0.2. Otherwise, calculation will be tough for you. If you'll add X, it's not a like wrong thing. It will be correct, but your calculation will be little tough. So since here X I have assumed that as a negligible, so यहाँ पे भी हम X को neglify कर सकते हैं. Okay, got it? So 0.2 into this OH minus concentration is here X upon NH3 concentration is 0.1. So this is going to be cancelled out, यानी कि 2 बच जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे इसको find करो. So this will be anti-log 5.25. Can I do? Yes, upon is equal to 2 into X. So यहाँ पे anti-log ये हो जाएगी वैल्यू जो होगी 10 to the power minus 5 and anti-log 0.25. If you'll check, you will get anti-log 2.25. That is coming 1.78. Okay, 1.78. This much is coming. Is equal to 2x. So here x you can find 1.78 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 2. That means it is going to come 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 5. Yes, is there any problem? And x is equal to OH minus concentration. So next you have to find pH. So H plus concentration आपको चाहिए. There is again the two way you can do. Once this is H plus OH minus concentration over here, and we know that H plus concentration and OH minus concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So from here you can find the H plus concentration and you can use the pH, or find the POH and then minus कर देंगे 14 से, तो you will get the POH. Got it? Sorry, pH. So here it is like pH, अगर POH हम निकालेंगे, so this will be minus log OH minus ion, and this is going to be minus log. So just put the OH minus concentration. This is 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 5. And in the log, point value is not given. So what we will do, we will convert it into tens. And can I write like this? 89.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. So now minus log 89, and this is going to be minus 7 log 10. So if you'll check the anti-log 89, log 89, you will get 0.9494. So this is going to be 0.9494 minus 7. Solve it and you will get somewhat around 6.05. Yes. So pH will be what? 14 minus POH. That means 14 minus 6.05, and it is approximately 8.95, isn't it? So this is the answer. So that was the one way. And another way, it was like you can do H plus concentration and OH minus concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So you can find the H plus concentration from here. It is 10 to the minus 14 divided by 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 5. Again solve करो, calculate करो, and you will get this H plus concentration, and then pH आप निकाल सकते थे minus log H plus use करके. Yes, so this is the alternative way. You can use the any way, whichever you feel easy, you can do it. Yes. So okay, one more thing. In this question, I told you to give you the short form. So how can do? In this way also, like let me use another page for this, for short method, alternative way. In this case, base was 800 ml and 0.05 m NaOH was given. Yes, and another was 200 ml and that was 0.1 mSCl. Yes, so 0.1 mSCl. You can do the some mind calculation over here, and you can see that यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि this one is base जो है वो calculate कर लो. This is around 40 and this is around 20. You just solve it M1 V1. Okay, so base is more. That means the number of moles is going to get you 0.20. ये number of moles हो गया. Volume निकाल, अगर molarity निकालनी है 20 upon 1000 कर दो volume. So you will get that 0.002, यानी कि 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. And by this way also you can solve. 2 into minus 2 now. 2 into 10 to 1. And by this way also you can do. So this is the easy calculation. If you are expert in that, you can do this mind calculation. Otherwise, this way is the main way how to do. Okay. So, okay, class. That's it for today, class. I hope you got it. This was full of numerical. So, have to practice. Just practice it. After watching the video, you just write the question and try to solve it again by yourself. Few more questions I will give you as a homework. And next topic we will do for the another type of calculation, that is type F we will do, and relation between K and KB we will learn about that. Okay, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, thank you, class.